Hello, this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. My friend asked me to make a calendula infused oil for her radiotherapy. A research found 70% of the patients go through radiotherapy reported a skin problem. And even her nurse recommend to use calendula oil and lotion. And in this video, I will show you how I make calendula infused oil and share with you the clinical study reporting the benefits of using calendula infused oil to treat wound healing. Calendula extract and infused oil has been reported as many benefits to help wound healing and reduce rash and the skin problems because of its anti-inflammation and antioxidant behavior. Yesterday, my son had a rash around his mouth, and before he go to bed, I used a couple drops of the calendula infused oil I made. Just swap on those rash, the skin, and this morning, all of them are gone and go back to his beautiful smooth skin. There are many research studies the benefits of using calendula extract to treat wound caused by C-section during the childbirth or radiotherapy, and some of them are showing promising results and significantly improve the wound healing. One of the clinical study I want to share with you today is done by an Italian research group. They use the wheat germ oil to extract the calendula flower and also mix the oil with the St. John wort oil and treat the patients after the C-section. And they found that by using the oily extract of this calendula and St. John wort mixture give 37% improvement of their wound recovery comparing with just using the wheat germ oil that is 15%. And they conclude the calendula infused oil extract with the St. John wort has benefits to help the wound healing. And the same benefits have been reported by other research during the animal study or clinical studies. So now I'm going to show you how to make this calendula infused oil. I use three ingredients. The major is calendula flower, using the dry flower, and also I use the lavender buds because the lavender buds has also strong anti-inflammatory benefits. It will help to treat those inflammation on the skin. And add a bit of the rose petal to give some flavor. And also I'm using the sweet almond oil. And the maceration process take a long time. I started from October and now it's January. It's 3 months. You can do it in 4 to 6 months, or you can use heat accelerated infusion. You can watch my other video to see how to shorten the infusion process. So after the 3 months of maceration, I use the LeTime press to separate the oil from the flowers. And then the oil can be bottled and it can be used directly as I use on my son's face, and this oil can be used to make lotion to have a better topical application. Next time I'm going to show you how to make the calendula lotion by using this infused oil and the calendula hydrosol. So this is a double the active components within the lotion. Studies have mixed results. Some of them have promising improvement in the wound healing, and some others are not significant. But these positive results give us a good encouragement to use these all nature ingredients. And also the calendula extract or infused oil has much less side effects compared with chemical medicine. If you have questions, please leave at the comment section, and also please share us how do you use calendula. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.